Hey guys, it's Anna, and today's video is going to be a stretching routine for improving back flexibility. This is meant to be a beginner's routine, so you don't need any prior flexibility in order to do this routine. And if you find it too easy, I also have a much more advanced routine, which I'll leave linked down in the description. Like always, I recommend that you warm up before doing this routine, and I have a warm-up routine video, which I'll leave linked down in the description as well. And then once you've done that, let's just go ahead and get started.
Start in a wide stance and then reach forward while keeping a flat back. If you can reach all the way to the ground, then try to grab onto your ankles. Now roll back up to standing, and then we're going to reach up and over to the side. Now switch to reach over to the other side. Next, we're going to twist only your torso to the side, so during this stretch, you want to make sure that your feet stay facing forward. Now switch to twist to the opposite side. Next, we're going to go up and down from downward dog to seal stretch 5 times, and when you're in the seal stretch, you want to be arching back as far as you can. Now we're going to hold the seal stretch for 20 seconds. Remaining in the seal stretch, twist your torso to one side. And now twist it to the other side. Now go up onto your knees, and we're going to do cat-cow stretch. To do this stretch, just arch back as far as you can and then contract, and we're going to repeat this 5 times. Staying up on your knees, reach your arms as far forward as you can while arching your back. Staying in almost the same position, just lower down so that you're sitting down on your knees to go into child's pose. Come back up to standing on your knees and then arch back as far as you can, leaving your hands on your back. From here, reach down, trying to grab onto your ankles. Now sit down with your legs straight out in front of you, and we're going to do a pike stretch. To do the pike stretch, simply reach forward and then try to push your chest towards your legs. And if you can't get all the way down to your legs like I'm showing, that's completely fine. Just go down as far as you can. Now lay on your back with your knees bent to push up into a modified bridge. If you find this stretch too easy, you could even place your arms over your head to push up into a regular bridge. Now place one leg straight out in front of you and twist the other leg across your body. You can now switch which leg is across your body. And for the final stretch, simply place your arms overhead and stretch out your entire body.
And that's it for this stretching routine, so I hope it helps you improve your back flexibility. Like I mentioned earlier, if you found this routine too easy, I recommend following along to my more advanced routine, and that's just linked down in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can click here to watch my most recent video. To subscribe to my channel, just click here, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!